Hello students, hello everybody. How are you? Hope you are all well. I am also well. Okay, what can you see in the picture? What is it? Do you know? Why was it built? Can you say? Okay, let's learn about this. Let's go it. The Statue of Liberty. It's situated in USA. What's about it? Mount Rushmore. It's also situated in USA. And what is it? It is called the Liberty Bell, Philadelphia. It is situated in Philadelphia. Here we can see it is like a mount, isn't it? Its name, what is the name? It's very interesting. Devil's Tower, United States first national monuments. Can you imagine it? Is it a monument? Okay, next. What's about it? National Monument of Malaysia. Can you imagine it's also a monument? And last, what's it? Can you know? Do you know what is about it? Yeah, we all know about it. National Mausoleum and Memorial. Do you know why it is National Mausoleum and Memorial? Okay, we all will know about it this lesson today. This is the another side scene of this monument. Okay, who is he? Can you say who is he? He is the founder of our national monument, Soyod Moinul Hussain. Here is about his things. Moinul Hussain, born on 5 May 1952, and where? Bikrampur, Dhaka, East Bengal, Dominion of Pakistan, and died on 10 November 2014, aged in 62. His name is Soyod Moinul Hussain. He is the founder of our national mausoleum and national monument. শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, তোমরা জানবে মausoleum হচ্ছে সেটাই যেখানে পাশাপাশি কবরস্থান থাকে বা সমাধিস্থল, আর মনুমেন্ট হচ্ছে শুধু স্মৃতিস্তম্ভ। যেহেতু আমাদের এই স্মৃতিস্তম্ভর পাশে অনেক শহীদদের কবরস্থান রয়েছে, সেজন্য এটাকে মausoleumও বলা হয়ে থাকে। Okay, it is prepared by me, Smot Ara, assistant teacher, Sipur Goft Pilot High School, Gazipur. This is for the class 9 and 10, unit 3, lesson 5, events and festivals. Okay, our topic is, today's topic, Independence Day. I colored it green because green is seems a peace. That means সবুজকে শান্তির প্রতীক বলা হয়ে থাকে। Okay, let's read it out. 26 March, our Independence Day, is the biggest state festival. The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It is national holiday. All offices, educational institutions, shops, and factories remain closed on this day. The day begins with 31 gunshots. Early in the morning, The President and the Prime Minister on behalf of the nation place floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Savoy. Then diplomats, political parties, social and cultural organizations and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. People from all walks of life always come there with rallies, procession. There are several cultural programs through the day highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. The country also witnessed a smartly dressed parade of defense forces, border guards, police answer and the BDP. What is the meaning of BDP? BDP means Blaze Defense Party. At the National Parade Ground near the National Parliament in Bangabandhu Stadium, school children, scouts and Girl Guide take part in various displays to entertain thousands of spectators. Educational institutions also organize their individual programs. Sports meets and tournaments are also organized on the day, including the exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. Okay. Here is a matching table for you. Match the word with the meaning. Here is 2 columns, words and meaning. First words for you. Favorite. Acts of performing skills. Second word is alike, spectators, display, illuminate. And here is to light up. In a similar way, strong feeling of excitement, a person who is watching an event. Okay, you should match all of them and write down on the comment section. We will discuss about all of these details in next class. Okay, thank you for this day. Thank you. Happy watching.